Today, I'm going to show you a portable FM Bluetooth radio by Avantree. It has enhanced FM reception with an antenna. It's perfectly portable. And let's open it up and see what we have. Warranty manual with information. USB to USB-C cable for electricity and recharging. And a user manual in several different languages.
It feels really sturdy. It's a little bit weighty, but it feels great. Mode selector, FM, tune up and down, EQ, timer, seek up and down, play, pause, off, on, volume, and then you've got your preset selectors. The grid is, that's a heavier plastic maybe. Okay, you've got your antenna right here, DC in, USB SD card, and auxiliary in. Okay, scan QR code at bottom for future support. The batteries are rechargeable. I thought it sounded pretty good when I initially turned it on. Extend the antenna, turn it on. Automatically. And it automatically scans the channels.
Va a tener el sinaloense. The gist of it is rice. And we are for something. 28,495 and get the best customer service.
Compromise. You get high quality and low prices. Like you never compromise your meal with our spring
So it goes
salad.
from 30
mix.
minutes
It's
to 2
guaranteed
hours.
fresh. And you never compromise your fresh for everyone.
Now's a great time to save on cherries. Large Northwest red cherries are only $2.99 a pound with your digital coupon. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
All right, and we'll go ahead and pair it with the phone. Shows up right away. Connected. Let's hear what that sounds like. Up.
All good texts may come and all good texts may go and never change your point of view. I wanna go
That's happening.
all over the world and start living free. I know.
The Avantree Bluetooth FM radio is well made, solid device, very nice quality. The volume can fill a room, but it's not going to be party volume. And it does have the extendable antenna. I'm very happy with this purchase, and it sounds good. It suits my needs perfectly. You've got your presets on the top. You've got simple instructions just to use everything. It's well made. I think you could rough it a little bit and be well protected. You've got the two speakers. You can see them on the back, though it doesn't project from the back. It projects from the front. I was very happy with it, and I definitely give this a thumbs up. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.